What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. So today also I'll be going to continue the automation series, and this is the third tutorial of the series, and today's topic will be how to read PDF file using Python. So this is also one of the very important and popular operational topics where actually you can integrate some sort of automation mechanism. For example, if you have requirement of reading multiple PDF file and then consolidate few data from those PDF file in the form of Excel or CSV, then this is the right a tutorial for you. So I'll show you guys how to read the tutorial PDF file first, and after that we'll do some sort of lookup, and based on that we'll generate some sort of CSV text file or some Excel file depending on the requirements. So we'll create some sort of conditional requirement for you, but the first tutorial is how to read the PDF file. So in this topic I'll be going to use one of the very popular library called PDF Plumber package. It is PDF Plumber. So PDF Plumber package, you can install it using pip. Okay, let me just write down this thing. You can install it using pip. Why it is like this, or write this pip install PDF Plumber. Okay, so you can install like this. So I'll be going to provide the PDF file link. So let me start the tutorial first without wasting much time, because there is no more talk or theory available. So first thing, this is the structure of the PDF file I'll be going to use. So probably there are 18 pages are available, and let me I'll give you the link of the code. So first thing first, let me just put a title here: read PDF file using PDF plumber package. Okay, so then it will be import PDF plumber. Okay, so next thing is very simple. So with PDF plumber dot open, and I'll write down this file name, sample report.pdf, sample report.pdf as F1. Then we'll print this thing, see what object is getting written. So it will be PDF plumber class type of object. See, okay, so next thing is that we got our file PDF plumber file object created with this F1 thing over here. So now I want to do two things here. So we have a file, and I want to see the file metadata first. So how to do that? So for doing that, you have to create file underscore metadata. Metadata means who has written the file, when it was created, when it was last modified, who is the author of this file, something like that. So it will be f1 dot metadata. So like this. So then we'll try to print this thing. Let's print this thing. See, I got the creation date of the file like this. Okay, 2000, it is 2005 on 14th of October. Okay, author is Chase, creator is this by this, version is 5.2, producer is Acrobat Distiller, Windows, modified date is this, and these are the names. So let's re-verify this thing. Okay, so if I go to properties of the same file, then I will document properties and see everything is fine. Title, file name is this, title is this, author Chase, created this, modified this, application this. It was actually this thing here over here. So if you can compare this thing, see, modified date, producer is this, creator is this, everything is there. See, producer is this, creator means this application got created by this. So everything is there, guys. So with this attribute, which is actually are getting from this PDF plumber file object, PDF file object, you can get this thing. Now the next thing is that how to get the pages. Okay, so here actually, let me write this thing, getting the metadata. Okay, so this is very simple. So I think we have a tutorial for this. Simple PDF. Okay, read operation is this. Okay, and here it will be getting the metadata. Okay, so I don't think it is required, and we can just write this thing here. Do whatever is required. Okay, next thing is getting the metadata is done. Okay, this is a simple code for getting metadata. Now read operation, the actual read operation, simple PDF, then read operation this. So it will be like read pages. Last thing is what? Read pages operation, then get text from the page. Okay, so now we'll do some page operations. So now we got the page file. Now we need to understand how many pages are there. So there will be like pages equals to f1 dot pages. Okay, so let's print length of pages. So it will give you the length of the page, how many length there. See, 18. So how many pages are here? 18. See, we got the same thing, 18 pages are there. So here how to get the total, get the count of pages, count of the total, how to get the total number of pages. Okay, so this is what we got. So I think this will be page operation. Okay, so we'll read page operation. So here I just can write this something like that, page count, and here it will be, let's create a duplicate slide. Okay, this is page operation, so I will just remove this part. Okay, so this part will be going to see how we can parse the pages actually. Okay, so I got the pages now. Okay, so now we'll try to parse through the page one by one. So it will be for page in pages, right? And after that it will be like print pages dot extract underscore text. So this will actually help you to get all the text. Okay, so if I do this thing, I think it is like this. What happened? Okay, sorry, I did a mistake. It will be page extract text. Okay, I sorry. Actually, this is the main list, and from there actually are doing this thing. So it will be like this. So see, I got everything. So this is the first page. First page starts us with sample report and formal report. If you open that thing, let's check. The sample report, formal report, nothing else is here. So next page starts with sample reports, formal report, then effects of stress and business. See effects of stress. So everything is there. So now we know how to get the text from the pages. Okay, how to get text from pages. Okay, right? Okay, so I believe that the tutorial is completed. What I'll do, I'll try to create a single code. Just give me some time so that everyone should understand. Okay, so this is done. So there is no more slides required. So read operation, this is the get metadata read operation, and read page like page data. Okay, so this is also done. So okay, first thing from here, actually I'll again recap this code. So first thing, we'll read the file. This is actually simple, normal in Python. Normal file open is only with open, and here actually are using pdf plumber.open, and we are creating corresponding object using this thing. And after that, I'm just getting the metadata using a metadata attribute, and after that printing the metadata, and after that actually are getting the pages using this pages thing. This is actually kind of a list or generator, whatever you say, but I'm not sure whether it is a list or generator. Let's try to print the type of this pages. I believe type actually it's a list. Okay, so okay, so then the length of the pages, then extract using this extract test. So here actually you are getting the pages, and after that we are just iterating through the page using this page attribute, page variable, and we are just extracting through the pages. So this is very simple tutorial, guys. This will definitely help you to do some sort of automation in your project, in your like assignment, whether you are freelancer, whether you are working for a company or a big company, small company, respective of what. If you are a requirement of reading PDF automatically, then this is the right tutorial. But this is not the actual thing. There could be multiple things, because reading PDF could not be the actual job. Okay, so there could be something after that, like doing some modification with the data, generate some sort of report. So those parts will be completed or covered in the later tutorial, but if I do it, then it will be kind of complex for all of you guys to understand. So that is why I'm just doing this in a small phase. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next tutorial, but till then try to practice. I'll be going to upload the code, I'll be going to upload the PDF file, so definitely it will help you to generate some sort of like intuition towards this package and coding with this library. Just play around with this, try to gain some knowledge, and if you have any doubt, question, please reach out to me. So that's all, guys. That's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button. If you have any complaints, feedback, please feel free to write me out. And thank you very much for all the Udemy students for buying this course, and same thing applicable for you. If you have any question or any doubts, please feel free to write me. I always available there in the Udemy. I'll answer your question as soon as possible. So once again, have a good day. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.